Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to unbox the Nintendo Switch Lite. This one is the Nintendo Switch Lite, and it includes the New Horizons Animal Crossing game, and this one and this one is the Mario Kart Live home circuit. So we are super excited to unbox this, aren't we, kids?
Yes.
Yeah, so the kids and I are super excited to unbox, this whole package. And yeah, I thought I should bring you guys along. If this is the first time of checking out my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Ezinma and I'm a mom of two. As you can see, I share videos centered around motherhood, lifestyle reviews, unboxing, hauls and all sorts. So if that's kind of content you love watching, I hope you guys will stick around. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe. Thank you so much for checking out my channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you again for coming back to check out my new video. So yeah, without further ado, I will unbox this Nintendo Switch right now. So we will unbox this first. So first off, I'm going to just open it. Okay. Are you excited, guys?
Yay!
Okay, so we'll take out this part. So there's a little part here that... Ooh, wow. Look, guys. Look what we have here. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this.
Nintendo.
Ooh, look how it looks. It looks so cute. And then it's pink again. Girly girl color. Power to the girls. Okay, so this is the Nintendo Switch Lite and it looks so beautiful. I'm going to show you guys how we set it up. But first off, let's just unbox everything so you guys can see what we have here. So we'll put this aside. Okay. The next thing we have here are just little guides, manuals, whatever you call it. So just a little guide showing you the Animal Crossing game and all sorts. Let's put it down. So this is the manual as well. So if you have any problems setting yours up, you can just use the manual. This is the charger. Nice European charger with the 3 points right there for easy plug-in and charging. So yeah, that's everything in the Nintendo Switch Lite box. I'm going to unbox the other one. So now we have the Mario Kart Live home circuit, and my kids love Mario, innit? Super Mario from back in the day when Super Mario was the game. Even till now, people are mad about Super Mario. So yeah, I'm super excited to play this game with the kids. So first things first is this manual right here. It's just a guide to direct you on how to set it up. Okay. And then in the box we have this right here. So this is the Mario Kart, and this is how it looks. Ooh, how cool is this? This is the Mario Kart.
That's so cool.
It looks amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
And the tires are nice and soft as well. The tires are nice and soft. Mario is nice and sturdy in there. It's not removable, so he's stuck in there. And yeah, this is how everything looks right here. Okay, so you can hold this for me. And this is the charger to charge it, to charge the cart. Okay, there's nothing there. And now I'm going to remove this part. Oh, this is amazing. So these are the home circuits that you can, pop up. They're going to look something like this by the time I set it up. Let me show you guys the packaging.
There's one more.
Oh good, there's another one. Okay, thank you. So yeah, it's going to look like this by the time I set it up. It's going to look like a circuit So yeah, amazing. So now guys, let's show them how we will set this up right now.
Yay!
Are you ready? So yeah, let's show them. You press the on button, the power button right there. It's meant to show you like Nintendo Switch clicking together. It's really fantastic. So click on English, Europe. Okay, please read the important information. Click next. Searching for networks. So it says successfully connected. We're going to click OK. And now it says London, Lisbon. Just click OK, isn't it? Yeah, click that. A user will be added to the console. We'll click next. Create a new user. So I just updated it, and we are in the Nintendo eShop. Let's click start. Press the same button 3 times. Okay.
It's Mario time! It's Mario time! It's Mario time! It's Mario time! Thank you for watching my mummy's